sorry for not putting more videos on YouTube, but I've been honing my skills in day trading and taking care of other stuff. So we caught this long here. We saw the bullish reversal down here, all the buying. See all the buying here, and the Nasdaq got this support here, and the S&P 500 is going higher right now. So I don't think it's gonna go lower from here. It can break this high, but the time and sales is just telling us that they're gonna go lower. I mean higher. They fight all this low here. It was fought and they won. The buyers won. So we're still in this trade. I think it can go higher to the close, and we keep on hanging to this trade. See, the Nasdaq is just hit this resistance here. Maybe it can turn around and consolidate, or we never know. It was a straight to the upside. This was a good trade. Okay, we need to see more buyers in tape to break this resistance. It just stalled. Oh, lots of sellers. We need to see the Nasdaq reverse. Else is gonna pull the ES. Okay, 100 buyers. There you go. There's a tape in the micro ES. They're lifting the price. These guys who bought down here is the guys that don't buy, at the high of the bar. They just wait for the price to pull back. These may be algos, algorithmic trading. Okay, guys, just to let you know, for this system, you don't need to have a lifetime of Ninja hours or a leased license of Ninja. It runs on free license of Ninja, so you don't need to invest in the license first if you want to try and just trade sim for a while, and then hone your skills and work learn how to trade the system. Okay, guys, turn around. I need these buyers to you see from the beginning there was a blue arrows, meaning high volume and aggressive volume buying. 1, 2, along with the micro ES, and the Nasdaq just turned around very heavily. Okay, there's the buyers, you see, 8 in the same second. So this is commitment. You can still hold this trade. You can still hold this trade. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 100 prints. You know, that's a lot of volume. Yeah, they're trying to break this high for the Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq, you need to turn around. Still buyers at these lows. But sellers are not in control right now. They're just trying to spoof people to release the lots so the bigger guys can have them. There you go. There you go. More buyers. They need to break that high. Was a big print. We are aggregating here in 100 size lots. So if you see 5, it's a lot of volume. You know, so this is a lot of buyers. So we're gonna still stick to this trade, guys. It's not over yet. See the tape mixed buyers, sellers. You see, they're just playing with lots of buyers in this area. Okay, we're starting to see the buyer's commitment. There should, in that area might be lots of limit orders, so market order buyers are a little bit scared, so maybe spoofing. There you go. Okay, we need to see more buyers here to break that area. Let's see the buyers. Nasdaq needs to break this area. It's been rejected 1, 2, 3. Can be the fourth time. Gonna be a reversal, or it can go above the linear regression. Okay, we got 20 minutes left. I'm glad I stick to this trade, guys. I already won in the morning, so it's okay for me. I can have a little bit of heat. Like, always make your cushion, guys. Always make your cushion, and don't trade all day, because you're gonna, you make 1 or 2 good trades. You can come back at the close, make another one if you have the cushion. Okay, let's see if these guys break this area. I haven't seen that much commitment yet. Only single prints in 1 second. Need to see 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 prints in a second. There goes the Nasdaq, trying to break that high. 10,600. Okay, there they go. Aggressive print here. Let's see if we can go higher. Okay, we're exiting at this high. Don't see follow through. Sellers. Still buyers in 1 print, 1 second, so it's too slow. It's too slow, so there's not much fuel in that volume. Okay, let's see if we can do this bar. Now you see sellers in this high. Come on, guys. It's just a little way to the upside. 1 more bar. No, you see more sellers. Still slow selling. But okay, let's see if we get the high here. We exit the trade.
Target filled.
Okay, there you go, guys. Plus 2,000. Okay, guys, so if you're interested in the system, you can contact me. There's the link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, guys.